So I'm gonna analyze the film Slumdog Millionaire. The director of the film is the British director Danny Boyle. I picked these actors to mention: Dev Patel, the main character, Jamal, and Frida Pinto, that is Latika in the film, and Irfan Khan, the police inspector in the film. And some few facts: the year of the production is sometime before 2008, since it came out in 2008, then it obviously is made before 2008, and it's a British drama film. The genre is a drama, and I have put out some key words here to kind of make it understandable why it is a drama. The eye scene, when the kidnapper wants to remove the eyes from the kids so they can beg for money and potentially get more since they are disabled and blind, and then people will show more affection for them. And this is the scene when Jamal and the other kids were young and they are kidnapped to be used to beg for money. And the interrogation in the room when Jamal is older and he's interrogated if he actually cheated in Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, and it's really close-up view of them, and the interrogator has a smoke, and you can see a really close-up view of him, so it's really a lot of tension there, and it creates drama. And the kidnapping of Latika is in this is also a dramatic scene, and running from bad men in the train station and burning homes also creates drama, and answering questions if Jamal is actually going to answer the questions in Who Wants to Be a Millionaire or not creates a lot of drama. So I would say this drama has a lot of drama scenes, and it's definitely a drama film. The setting of the film is in India, in Mumbai, and in the largest slum in India, Dhaaravi. And I would say about the main character Jamal, he's born poor, very smart since he can answer all of the questions in Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. He's kind and he's caring and he cares about Latika, the person he loves, and he seems like a really nice person throughout the film. The opening scene and the conflict of the film, Jamal is interrogated, and there's a clip of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, and when they interrogate Jamal, they really think he cheated, and this is to show what the film is gonna be about, and the conflict of the film itself is: did he actually cheat in Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, or did he not cheat? And the composition of the film is flashbacks between when he was younger and present time. And the use of camera in the film is handheld camera. When they run away from people that tries to get them, the bad men, so they run, and then it's handheld camera. It's full headshot of Jamal to get attention from Jamal and his emotions, a normal point of view in conversations, and horizontal point of view to see what's happening all over in the far beyond. And the sound in the film is the theme song Jai Ho by Rahman. It's also an Oscar winner for Best Original Song at the 81st Academy Awards. And in the film it's a lot of high sounds, and that would be the background noise in the film that we can hear all the time, since a lot of things are happening in the film all the time. So this is to build tension. And Who Wants to Be a Millionaire music is also a special part of this film that we only hear in Who Wants to Be a Millionaire questioning. And the message of the film, I would say, is honesty. Are Jamal telling the truth or not? Is he lying to the police inspector, or is he not lying? It's about love. His love for Latika, he cares really much about him, so love is definitely a big message of this film, that you need to love those that you want to love. And loyalty is also a big and large part of this, the message of the film. His loyalty with his brother is really broken after different events in this film. And the differences between the book and the film is, in the film it's called, no, in the book I mean, it's called Who Will Be a Billion, and in the film it's called Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, and I can see I have forgotten A between B and millionaire. And in the book he tells how he's able to answer the questions to his lawyer, and in the film he's telling it to a cop. And my personal opinion of the film is that the movie was really good. It's a drama with lots of dramatic scenes, and I really love drama, because all that tension and suspense is the sort of film that I like to watch, and that's why I really like this film. And just the adventure with Jamal throughout this film is something that I really enjoyed to experience and watch. And the one source I used is this was not in the book.com, to see the difference between the book and the film a bit more, since I didn't read the entire book. And the source kind of looked a bit sketchy, but the facts in the source looked reliable, so I think it's a very good source, even though the page and the source didn't look that that I would say as a reliable page to use, because it really looked weird. And thanks for watching.